Rochester City Council wants to consider adopting new policies to protect renters from sharp increases in rent, among other things. It's called the Good Cause Eviction law.
This would restrict landlords from evicting tenants without good reason. Gio Battaglia spoke with the City Council leaders and joins us now in studio with the latest on all this. Gio.
Adam, Teresa, at the end of April when the state budget passed, we reported on Good Cause Eviction being approved as part of it. Landlords then calling it a lease for life. In Rochester City Council's proposal, Good Cause Eviction would take away landlords being able to curtail the denial of lease renewals. And now, in order to evict a tenant or deny a renewal, landlords would have to prove the tenant didn't pay rent and that the lack of payment did not come from an unreasonable increase in rent. Landlords would also have to prove the tenant is being a nuisance or performing illegal activity, upon other things. City Council's bill does, however, include a provision that requires tenants to have a written notice of their rights under their law at the signing of the lease, renewal, increase of rent, or eviction. Rochester City Council members saying today, as the legislation progresses, they want to hear from both tenants and landlords.
On the landlord side, we've heard that there's concerns around, will this really change the market dynamics? Will it change, how much someone can charge for rent? And there's some levers in there that would limit what rent increases can do. As the City of Rochester has an opportunity to listen to the public, which we intend to do July, possibly into August, to hear from the community about the pros and cons, to understand some of the challenges, and then consider whether or not we want to opt in.
And that opportunity for public engagement regarding Good Cause Eviction will be at forums starting in July. And if passed, most provisions of the law would go into effect immediately. Back to you.